Welcome everyone to my channel BioWorld once again. Today in the chapter nervous system we will be talking about reflexes. So what is reflex or reflexes? They means reflected or turned back. It has originated from the Latin word reflexus. That means that turned back, that move back, that reflects back. So the action which is returned to you by the provocation of certain stimulus or certain external agent. So mainly categorized into two parts, involuntary or two types, involuntary actions and involuntary actions. Now voluntary word means which is under the control of your will, your wish. That means which we perform it consciously. Whereas involuntary actions, they are not under the control of our will. They are performed unknowingly. So involuntary actions, they are mainly termed as reflexes. Now the response which is created due to certain external agent, that is known as stimulus. What is a stimulus? A stimulus is any agent or an environmental change which initiates response in the body. So they may be anything. They may be physical, chemical, electrical, mechanical, thermal, any sort of change or our body experience, and then it shows the response towards it. What is reflex action? Automatic, quick, immediate, you can say sudden, involuntary actions in the body brought about by stimulus prior to our knowledge, prior to our thinking. We do not show thinking here, we just show the action. So any sudden automatic response that is created in our body by a stimulus. So it can be, for example, it can be sudden removal of your hand when you touch a hot object. You don't think, you don't wait, your hand gets burned and then you just remove it. Second, shivering. You are shivering, you are clattering your teeth when it is too cold. That is also a kind of reflex. Flushing of tears. Tears falling off from your eyes to wash out any unwanted particles falling into the eyes. So these were some examples of reflex action. So reflexes and voluntary actions, they are differentiated in this way. Now reflexes or involuntary actions, they are mainly stimulated by the help of external agent and are self-protective and helped by and coordinated by spinal cord and brain sometimes. Even the effect to their muscles and glands. Whereas voluntary actions, they are initiated by your will. They are mainly to fulfill your desire. Like you're studying. Why are you studying? You're studying to achieve some goals in your life. That is called voluntary. Something which you are thinking and performing, that comes under voluntary actions. But the command originates in brain, not in spinal cord. Involves only the help of the muscles. So your voluntary is mainly by the brain, whereas involuntary or reflexes, they are mainly from the spinal cord. So these were some example of the reflex.